the viewer how we made the design like that. We have captured or adjusted an image into a butterfly design, so we can do this. I will show you how we can use that one. First of all, we will remove it. Then I'm going to take a butterfly there, embed the image. So there is an image we have there. Adjusted it, made it fixed. Create a clipping mask there. Add a paint. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.